Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about hazardous waste and management. So hazardous waste have many subdivisions too. That is hazardous bio waste, hazardous plastic waste, then the transboundary management, the export and import. So in this session we are going to look into hazardous waste management and handling rules 1989 as amended in 2000. So that is the sole area that we are going to look in this session, and the rest of the sessions will be covered in different parts. Now, the hazardous waste rules applies to management and handling of 18 categories of waste like 1. Cyanide waste, then 2. Metal finishing waste, then wastes containing water soluble chemical compounds of lead, copper, zinc, chromium, nickel, selenium, barium, and antimony. Then the fourth one, mercury, arsenic, thallium, and cadmium bearing waste. Then the fifth one, non halogenated hydrocarbons, including solvents. Then the sixth one, halogenated hydrocarbons, including solvents. Then seventh, waste from paints, pigments, lacquers, varnishes, plastics, and printing ink. Then the eighth one, waste from dyes and dye intermediaries containing inorganic chemical compounds. Then the ninth one, waste from dyes and dye intermediates containing organic chemical compounds. Then the 10th one, waste oil and oil emulsions. Then the 11th one, tarry waste from refining of tar residues from distillation or pyrolytic treatment. Then the 12th one, that is sludge arising from treatment of wastewater containing heavy metals, toxic organic oils, emulsions, and spent chemical and incineration ash. Then 13th one, phenols. 14, asbestos. Then 15, waste from manufacturing of pesticides and herbicides and residues from pesticides and herbicides formulation units. Then 16 is acid or alkaline or slurry waste. Then 17th is off specification and discarded products, and the 18th one, discarded container and container liners of hazardous and toxic chemical waste. So these are the 18 categories that we are going to that is dealt under hazardous waste management and handling rules of 1989 as amended in 2000. The notification directs the occupier generating hazardous waste to take all practical steps to ensure that such waste are properly handled and disposed of without any adverse effect, and shall also be responsible for proper collection, reception, infitment, storage, and disposal of these waste either himself or through the operator of facility. The notification directs that hazardous waste shall be collected, treated, stored, and disposed of only in such facilities as may be authorized for this purpose. It further directs that every occupier generating hazardous waste and having a facility for collection, reception, treatment, transport, storage, and disposal of such waste shall make an application to the State Pollution Control Board for the grant of authorization. It also directs that before any hazardous waste is delivered at the hazardous waste site, the occupier or operator of a facility shall ensure that the hazardous waste is packed in a manner suitable for storage and transport, and labeling shall be easily visible and be able to withstand physical condition and climatic factors. The notification directs the occupier to maintain records of the operations in the prescribed form, and also direct to send annual returns to the State Pollution Control Board. The occupier is also imposed a duty to report immediately to the Pollution Control Board in case any accident occurs at the facility or on a hazardous waste site. This notification empowers the state government to undertake a continuing program to identify sites and compile and publish periodically an inventory of disposal site within the state for the disposal of hazardous waste. The hazardous waste notification prohibits the import of hazardous waste from any country to India for the purpose of dumping and disposal of hazardous waste. However, this notification permits the import of such waste for the purpose of processing or reusing the waste as raw material after examination by the State Pollution Board. The notification permits the export of hazardous waste subject to certain conditions. According to this notification, the movement of hazardous waste from or to the country shall be considered illegal if 1. It is without permission of the central government, or 2. The permission has been obtained through falsification, misrepresentation or fraud, or 3. It does not conform to the shipping details provided in the document. This notification makes the occupier, transporter and operator of a facility liable for damages caused to the environment resulting due to improper handling and disposal of hazardous waste. They are also liable to reinstate or restore damaged or destroyed elements of the environment. So that is with hazardous waste management and handling rules of 1989 that was amended as amended in 2000. Now we also have few more rules with regarding hazardous waste management, like hazardous rules for manufacture, use, import, export and storage of hazardous microorganisms, genetically engineered organisms or cells. That was in 1993. And then we have hazardous waste management and control rules for transboundary management. So those will be discussed in the next sessions. Thank you. Like, comment and subscribe. Click that bell icon so that you get a notification when I upload my next podcast or a video. Thank you for your support.